You won't believe what Apple's doing next. The iPhone 18 camera upgrade, 4 major leaks you need to know. Might completely change mobile photography forever. From a brand new periscope zoom lens to mind-blowing AI features, Apple's next camera setup is on another level. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zeevo Tech, your go-to channel for the latest mobile leaks and future tech news. Today, we're diving into the 4 biggest iPhone 18 camera leaks that are already making headlines. Let's jump right in. Periscope zoom lens, the real game changer. Leak number 1 is the new 48MP periscope zoom lens coming to the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Reports say Apple's working on a completely redesigned lens that will offer up to 6x optical zoom without losing image quality. That means crystal clear zoomed-in photos, even from a distance. Imagine shooting sports, concerts, or wildlife, all from your phone. This iPhone 18 camera upgrade is finally putting Apple head-to-head with Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series. Bigger sensor and low-light beast. Next up, the sensor itself. Apple is rumored to be adding a 30% larger sensor to capture more light and detail. That means sharper photos, more natural skin tones, and the best low-light performance we've ever seen on an iPhone. The iPhone 18 camera upgrade, 4 major leaks you need to know. Isn't just about megapixels, it's about how smart the camera becomes. AI-powered photography. Apple's new AI image engine powered by the A19 Bionic chip could change everything. This chip will bring real-time subject detection, better dynamic range, and instant scene optimization. Apple wants your photos to look pro-edited the moment you snap them. This AI system might even outperform Google's pixel-level computational photography. That's huge if true. Cinematic Mode 2.0. And the final leak, an upgraded Cinematic Mode 2.0 that lets you refocus subjects even after recording. Imagine shooting a vlog or short film on your iPhone 18 Pro Max and editing focus points like a pro camera. That's insane. So those were the 4 biggest iPhone 18 camera upgrades you need to know about. The iPhone 18 camera upgrade, 4 major leaks you need to know. Truly shows Apple's next step toward redefining smartphone photography. What do you think? Will Apple finally beat Samsung in camera performance this time? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zeevo Tech for more amazing tech updates every week.